this video we will look at how to install Docker on Linux Mint 22. We will start by installing the Docker engine, and then we will configure the Docker command to run without sudo, and after that we will also run a test container to check our installation. To install Docker on Linux Mint 22 you need to run these three commands, and the first command actually is optional and it will uninstall if there is any previous version of Docker installed on your computer. And this second command download the Docker installation script, and the third command run the script and install the Docker engine on your computer. Here I am going to skip the first command because I don't have any previous version of Docker installed on my computer, so I will run the second command to download the installation script. So we have downloaded the script and we can run it using the sh command like this. And this will install the Docker engine on your Linux Mint computer. Alright, and the installation is finished, and at the end you will see this notice to asking to run this script to set up rootless Docker mode, but you don't need to do this at this point, and it is a extra security step to secure Docker engine by configuring Docker engine to run without root privileges. It is something you can do later if you want, but we are not gonna do that. Now we will run the docker version command to check the Docker version installed on this system. And here's the Docker version, and this confirms that Docker engine is installed on this system. So now that we have installed the Docker engine and we are ready to run containers, but before that we are going to do one more thing, that is to configure the Docker command to run without sudo. And right now we have to use Docker command sudo every time when we run the Docker command, and that's not very convenient. So what we need to do is add any user that want to run Docker command to the Docker group. And if we look at the etc group file, there is a group called Docker, and any member of this group can run the Docker command without sudo privileges. And here I will add this user one to the Docker group using the command g password -a for add, and then I want to add user one to the Docker group. And after adding user to the group, we have to make sure that user is in the group. And here if we run the groups command, which shows the list of groups this user member of, and right now it doesn't show the Docker group, and here we have to restart the computer this change to take effect. Okay, and the computer was restart, and let's run the groups command again, and now we can see the Docker group on the members list, so we should be able to run the Docker command without sudo. Now let's start a new Docker container, and we will start a container called hello world. And this is just a test container we can use to test our Docker installation. And the command will pull the hello world image, and if you see this hello from Docker message, that means that our installation is working correctly. Now that we have installed the Docker engine, in the next video we will learn more about the Docker run command, and we will learn more details about the Docker run command and how to start containers.